Right now, you are officially on the wagon. DFS made a surprise appearance and the kids got pulled. It's time for your Father of the Year act.
Oh, my God, are they all right? I tell you what, let's meet back at the house and we'll get this all settled.
Looks heavy. Why don't I carry this back to the house?
But I need it for some errands I'm going to run a little.
Back at the house now, or you'll lose your kids and the welfare checks that come with them.
I go to the house, the city finds Ginger's body, I'm toast.
I found Ginger and I tossed her bones. You're safe.
Oh, well, that's great.
Not for you. You don't do exactly as I say, and I'll rat you out about Aunt Ginger's checks and your fake disability.
You don't have the balls.
Jesus Christ! I need you to do this! Can you just do this?
I'm sorry, did you just say you need me?
Yes. I need you to get your shit together and get the kids back.
Well, seeing as how you need something from me, maybe I